Okay, welcome back to CAD That Works. Today we're going to do a simple tutorial in Onshape on how to model a simple circular grommet. You might use this to protect some cables going through a hole or wires or hose or something along those lines. Anyway, let's jump right into it. Let's go ahead and hit create in Onshape. Document. Let's call it simple grommet. Okay, so you open up your studio. First thing you want to do is you want to hit sketch. Select that front plane there. We're going to orient it to the front as such. And we're going to do this with a revolve command. So I'm going to hit the line command. I'm going to do a construction line. And that's going to be the axis, which this whole thing revolves around when we model it. So it doesn't really matter the length there. But let's go ahead and draw the grommet. So dimensions don't really matter at this point. We'll modify those in a minute. So I'll just draw a line up, line over. This is going to be super simple. Take that down. And I'm just left clicking when it highlights there. So now I'm going to just do the diameters. I'm going to hit the D button, or you can just go up here and select dimension. I'll left click that line, left click the center. And if you may notice is if I drag it over to the side, it gives me the diameter dimension. If I were to bring it here, it would be the radius. We'll do diameter. So let's call that 2.75, for example. Okay, and we'll make the thickness. Let's make that 3/16, 0.8175. And let's say your wall is 1/2 inch thick. Just typing that in, hitting enter. And let's say we want that flange to be, let's do 0.09. All right, so hit the green check. Go up to revolve right here. Make sure it's on solid, new, faces and sketches regions to revolve. Sketch number 1, revolve axis. That's going to be that construction line we did. So I'm just going to click there, left click on the axis. Hit that green check, and there you go. You have a very quick and simple grommet. You could always add some holes. We'll get into that maybe in a later video, how to do a circular pattern. But it's just that easy. Now, if we wanted to 3D print this, so the next step would be just right click on part, you hit export, and you would make sure you just name it whatever you want to name it. Make sure it's an STL, units, whatever you want it to be. I'm sure your slicer will import it just fine. If not, you can always adjust it there. Resolution, I do fine. Options, download, you hit export, and you'll get your STL file. Again, thank you for watching, and if you like this content, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for further videos.